Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and we got a new developer in the building that's on the channel. All right, you all, get ready. Let's check this one out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a new developer on the channel. He may not be new to the game, but new to the channel. Now, his name is Novius. The name of this watch face is called, I'm gonna go out on a limb and try to pronounce this. This is called Syafigkal. I'm gonna put it right up top so therefore you can know the name of the watch face just in case you wanna go ahead and go download it. Now, I'm liking this watch face. It looks really good in design. I like the choice of color, and also in the always on mode, I'm liking this black and white theme. It really stands out and it's very legible to see at a glance. Now, when the watch face is on, I like the setup, I like the design. You get your day at the top along with your month and your date. I do like this stack time, and it has it boxed in, which is very nice, and you get a PM stamp as well. On the right hand side of this, up at the top, you get your battery info. You come down, you're gonna get your steps, miles walked or ran, calories burned, your heart rate, and you're gonna get a few shortcuts as well, so you can make a phone call, you can check out your music, you can go and check out your text messages, go into your settings. Also, if I tap on the star, I can go into my weather, and I thought this was very nice. I thought the developer really did a great job on the look and design of this watch face. Now, this is a dressed down watch face more than it is dressy, but it's nice. You double tap right here, you can change the color, and the colors are very nice and rich. They stand out, and you get several to choose from. So this watch face can pretty much go with anything that you're gonna be wearing for the day. So just check it out. I think it's affordable in the Manager store. I think it's worth the download, but check it out for yourself. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And with that, I'm out of here. So make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.